Hello, students. Welcome to my class. And today I'm going to be working out a question under circles. Now, this is the question. The coordinates of the endpoints of a diameter are, you see this? Very important. We take note. These are the coordinates of the endpoints. So we have to find the equation of the circle, the length of the diameter, and the equation of the diameter. So let's move to solution quickly. Now, I am going to draw a circle, then just have a kind of representation that will help us to understand the question very well. Okay. Now, this is the circle. Let's say this is the center of the circle. So we have a diameter that is passing through. Okay. I'm just representing this. I'm not drawing this to scale or anything. Now, let's say this point is 3 comma minus 4. So we have 3 comma minus 4 here because we are told that the coordinate of the ends of diameter. So we have minus 3 comma 5, sorry, minus 5 comma 3. This is what we have. Now, to actually find the equation of a circle, we need two things. One, we need what we call the radius. Then the second thing we need is the center. That is coordinate of the center, which is a comma b. Now this is the center, take note. So we need to know the coordinate of the center, a comma b. Now we can actually get it, and it's very easy to get it. Why did I say it's easy to get it? Now we're going to consider the knowledge of straight line, where here is 3 comma minus 4. Okay, this is a straight line. Then this point is minus 5 comma 3. Now midpoint. Midpoint is the center. Midpoint is actually the center. So how do you find coordinate of midpoint? From knowledge of straight lines. Now this is it. The midpoint is x2 plus x1 divided by 2. Then we have y2 plus y1 divided by 2. That is the coordinate of the midpoint. So quickly, I'll just say this is my x1, y1, then x2, y2. So once I have that, then I'm going to come here to say, okay, the midpoint now will be 3 plus minus 5 divided by 2, comma, then I have minus 4 plus 3 divided by 2. Now, this will give me minus 2 over 2, comma, then here I'm going to have minus 1 by 2. Okay, so everything evidently is going to be minus 1, comma, then minus 1 over 2, which is 0.5. So I have the coordinate of the midpoint, which I don't have an issue with that. So I have my a comma b. So my a comma b now, I found it now to be minus 1 comma minus 1 over 2. So I'm done with that. Now the next thing that I need to know is the radius. Okay, the radius, and I can actually find the radius. There are two ways of finding the radius. I can just find the diameter, then divide by 2. Okay, or I can just go ahead to find the radius. Okay, I think let me just find the diameter and divide by 2, because I don't want to work with fraction that is minus half. Now remember, the diameter is length of a line. Okay, is length of a line, and from the knowledge of straight line, the diameter will now be the root of x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. Simple. So this is what I'm going to have. Remember my x2, x1 and everything. So I have 3 minus minus 5. Okay, so I'm going to have square root of 3 minus minus 5. Remember, everything is being squared, then plus the next will be, okay, y minus 4 minus 3. So I'm going to have minus 4 minus 3. Everything is going to be squared. So this will not be all root of, this is 3 plus 5. We have 8 all squared. Then plus minus 7 all squared. Okay. Please do not make the mistake of just leaving out the minus. You see the way I put it in the bracket is very important. You do it this way. So this is going to be all root of, I'm going to have 64, then plus 49. Okay, which I'm going to have it as square root of 113. So this is my diameter. So to find the radius is going to be diameter divided by 2, which in this case is going to be the root of 113 divided by 2. So I'm done. So I have my diameter. Okay. Now remember what I'm looking for is I have my diameter and my radius, sorry. So remember what I'm looking for is actually the equation of a circle where I have that. Now, why I found those things is that the equation of a circle is given by x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared is equals to r squared. This is the equation of a circle having center a comma b and radius. So I'm going to fix in everything here so that I'm going to have x minus, instead of a, listen, let me show you. See, this represent my a and this represent my b. So I have a minus minus 1 all squared plus we have y, then minus 1 by 2 all squared, then is equals to root of 113 all over 2, then all squared. So I have everything that I need. Then I'm gonna have x plus 1 all squared, then plus I'm going to have y, then plus 1 by 2 all squared is equals to, now this is going to be 113 divided by 4. All right. So I'm going to expand this now, and expanding this, I'm going to have x squared plus 2x, then plus 1, then plus y squared plus y plus 1 over 4 is equals to 113 by 4. I'll clear the fraction by multiplying through by the LCM, which is 4. So this becomes 4x squared plus 8x, then plus 4 plus y, 4y squared, okay, plus 4y squared plus 4y, all right, then plus 1 is equals to 113. Now I'll rearrange it to have be 4x squared plus 4y squared, then plus 8x plus 4y, then plus 5 is equals to 113. Right? Now this is 4x squared plus 4y squared plus 8x, then plus 4y plus 5, then minus 113 is equals to 0. So that everything would boil down to be 4x squared plus 4y squared plus 8x plus 4y, then minus 108 is equals to 0. But one thing there is that 4 can go into all these. So this is going to be 4. Okay, sorry. So 4 divided by, let me put it this way so that for better understanding, divide all through by 4 just to simplify the whole work. And you are going to get x squared plus y squared plus 2x plus y minus 27 is equals to 0. So behold, this is the equation of the circle. And don't forget that the second question says we should find, let me check, okay, the length of the diameter. And we've actually found the length of the diameter already, which is this that we've gotten. So we are okay. We've gotten it. Then what is the next thing? Equation of diameter. Now the end point, let's not forget the end point of the diameter, that is one figure 3. Now we have minus 5 comma 3, remember, and we have I think 3 comma minus 4 if I'm not mistaken. Let me check it out so that I'll not be making any mistake. Okay, I think I'm okay, I'm correct. So having this, now this is clear case of having or finding the equation of a line, because the diameter is a line, okay, given two ends, so that the equation will be y minus y1 all over x minus x1 is equals to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Remember we said this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, okay. You can actually do this vice versa. It doesn't really have an issue. You will still have the same answer at the end of the day. So this is y minus y1 is 3 over x minus x1, which is minus 5. So is equals to y2, which is minus 4 minus 3 now. Then we have 3 minus, then we have minus 5. Okay, this is what we have. So that I'm going to have y minus 3 all over x plus 5 is equals to minus 7 all over 8. Now I'll cross multiply, so that I'm going to have 8 into y minus 3 now is equals to minus 7 into x plus 5. Okay, so this is going to be 8y minus 24, okay, is equals to minus 7x, then minus 35. Okay, all right, having this, this is going to be 8y plus 7x minus 24 plus 35 is equals to 0. So this 8y plus 7x, and this should be plus 11 is equals to 0. So this is the equation of the diameter. So I've succeeded in solving everything that has to do with this question. I hope you enjoyed. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and pass your comments. Thank you so much.